So now let's learn how to set up your phone number, missed call text back, and calling features in Zapify.io. So first let's go to settings and click phone system. Here you will see the phone numbers and let's add number and choose a number here and proceed to buy to get a dedicated business number. And after that, enable the musical text box so anyone who calls and gets no answer will automatically receive a follow-up text. And to make calls, go to any contact and click the phone icon. Calls are made directly inside the Zapify.io.